Hello class. Today we're going to learn how to learn the difference between do, and do. Before we get started, I'd like you all to meet Tom. Tom. He's my little puppy. Yep, he's just been cuddling me all day. Alright. So today's agenda is we're going to learn how to use the words do, and do correctly in sentences, learn what each one means. We will do some practice sentences together, and then you'll have a quick quiz or worksheet. It's not really great. It's not really a quiz. It's more of a worksheet. So first off, class, the first one is do. D-O, which is to perform, achieve, or complete. An example is, let's do our homework today. Charlie, what is this example? Yes, Sharon. Can we do our homework today? Is a correct sentence and is very similar to the sentence that I had an example of, but it still works, so very good job. The second do today is due, D-U-E, which means the expected date to get something in or done. An example is, our assignment is due next week. Our assignment is due next week. So, can anybody else think of any other examples, class? Who haven't I called on today yet? Jen, do you have an example? Yes, when asking when someone is pregnant, they have a due date. That is also a correct way to use the word. And hint, hint, that will be something we go over in a little bit. And then the next word is dew, D-E-W, which is tiny drops of water that form on cool surfaces overnight, like grass or your car when you wake up and there's water on your car, and trees. So an example is, there was dew on the grass this morning. Do you have any other examples? No? That's okay. So next we're going to pick the correct sentence. Miss Twix, when is the English project due? Guys, what do you guys think? Maybe, yes, no, maybe? Alright. Miss Twix, when is the English project due? And then Miss Twix, when is the English project due? The correct answer is the middle one, because remember that due means to turn something in or when something's going to happen. So Miss Twix, when is the English project due, is the correct one, because this is when you achieve something, which you're not achieving anything, you're asking when something is due. And this is water, which has nothing to do with water. So let's go on to the next one. Can we do the homework today in class? Can we do the homework today in class? Can we do the homework today in class? So class, the correct answer is the third one, the bottom one, because we're asking to do something or to achieve something. So we want to choose that word, because that's what this do means, is to achieve something. This one is water again, which we know that that's not correct, and this one is when something needs to be turned in. So that is not correct either. So the correct answer is the bottom one. Can we do the homework today in class? Pick the correct sentence again. The dew on the grass was cold this morning on my feet. The dew on the grass was cold this morning on my feet. The dew on the grass was cold this morning on my feet. The correct answer is the top one because as we remember, this dew means the water in the morning on the grass or on something cool. So this one isn't correct because we don't achieve anything, and this one isn't correct because something's not it's not expected or need to be turned in. Next, I want you guys to take out your whiteboard slates and write the correct do in the blank. Shelly, when is your baby's due date? Class, I'll give you a couple more seconds to write it down. Show me. Yes, DUE is correct because we're wondering when it is happening, or when it happens. At work today, I have so much fun stuff to do. So which do would you put here? Correct. You would do DO, do, because you have to achieve it or do it. Alright, last one. Was there any blank on the grass today? Alright, which do would go there? Yes, DEW, do, because it is the water on the grass. So here's a little worksheet I want you guys to fill out. I will give you guys 15 minutes to complete it. So I want you to fill in there's fill in the blank, multiple choice, and true and false. There's only a couple of each, so you shouldn't need to worry about it, and you may work with one friend or a partner. Alright? I hope you have a great rest of your class time, and here's Tom again. He's sleeping.